All right, everybody, buckle up because we're diving straight into another wild day inside the courtroom. I'm breaking down every move, every reaction, and every decision the judge makes so you can see exactly how justice plays out in real time. Let's get into it.
Good morning. Question for bond conditions on Mr. Sanders.
Thank you for being patient. Okay,
Yes, sir.
come on.
Bring him up.
$75.02 on that one and the $75.01 on the prior.
Yes.
At some point, someone is going to stop bailing you out. No more dope. Do you understand? I'm going to test you within the next 2 to 3 weeks. If I find that you continue to use, we'll just continue to play the same game. No more. Do you understand? If you have a problem, address it, because if you don't, I will do it for you, and you're not going to like the way that I do it. Okay? All right, same conditions, no alcohol, no drugs, random testing. I'm going to test them within the next 2 weeks. Be ready. Okay? All right, thanks. Yeah.
We got shoot for a plea, Your Honor.
Let's do it.
Either we're getting this done printed.
Mr. Vela, you want to talk to me while we're waiting?
On trial for tomorrow.
Okay?
Just see if we're first up or if we're in custody, see if we're going tomorrow.
Don't know. Talk with Kelsey. Let me know, please.
Okay.
Bless him. Ready? Okay. Good morning, Mr. Chook.
Good morning.
Mr. Chook, you were charged with driving while intoxicated. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 6 days in jail with credit for the 2 days that you have done. You need to understand that this charge will go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your life. Whenever you get pulled over, an officer, the first thing they do is they look at your criminal history. If they come to your window, they smell alcohol, and then they look you up and with a prior DWI, it's probably not going to go well for you. Do you understand? Shh. From now on, you are facing a minimum of 90 days in jail. So if you're not in this country with permission, you do that kind of time, you can almost rest assured that you'll get an immigration detainer. Do you understand? What I'm trying to impart to you is that if you want to drink, don't get into a car. Even a sip of alcohol, you're going to end up with us. You're giving up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, you can never change this. You understand? Do you still want to do this?
Yes.
How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
I'll find you guilty. I will follow the agreement. I'm going to suspend your license for 90 days. Do not drive until you get a license. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Judge, what about the,
CC.
is it true that he had a,
Oh, I'm sorry. Is it true or untrue that you had a 0.15 or above in your breath test or blood test?
¿Verdad o no verdad? That's what came out of that.
El aparato no se me pasa todo cuanto es eso de
Is it true or untrue?
Yes, it's true.
Okay. All right, guys. Good luck.
Thank you, Judge.
Judge, can we come again with one Spanish PHA?
What's the name?
Top of page 25.
Montanez, come up.
Buenos días.
Mr. Montanez, do you have a lawyer today?
No, I don't have one right now, but
Tiempo como estaba que no se trabaja mucho.
since I haven't been working too much.
Did you want to apply for?
¿Quieres aplicar por uno de oficio o vas a ocupar tu
No,
propio?
para la otra vez ya lo traigo.
The next time I come, I will bring one.
Your case is 90 days. It's now, I'm going to give you just a couple weeks. Your case is very old. You were supposed to have a lawyer back today. I will give you a couple more weeks.
Voy a dar
Are
mis
you
pasos.
sure you don't want a lawyer now? You're not working, are you?
No, I'm gonna hire one.
Okay, I will
Está
give you
bien.
2 weeks.
Te
At
voy a
that
dar dos
time,
semanas.
I'm going to appoint you a lawyer.
Voy a asignar- le voy a asignar uno.
Okay. All right. Thanks. Please take a seat. Hi. Lasta, thank you so much.
Sure,
You
Yes,
ready?
yes.
Okay.
Your Honor, I have, someone in custody, Hugo Martinez. I was appointed this morning. He just needs bond conditions, Judge. Your Honor, I understand that he
He
has.
has an ice hold.
Yes, Judge. He posted bond in immigration and then he's paid his cash bond here too. So I'm
Oh,
gonna
really?
get
Okay.
in contact with the immigration attorney to lift that hold.
Do you mind bringing out Mr. Hugo Martinez, please? Okay, I'm going to talk to them real quick.
Yes, Judge.
Give me 2 minutes.
Absolutely.
Joseph, ready? Is your guy here?
I'm circling back on my client that we
Yes.
spoke about on
Is he here?
Friday. He's here.
Bring him up, please.
Mr. Hernandez?
How's it going?
Not good. I understand the seriousness of the charges. I've had 3
Not
weeks.
necessarily that, but that you need to understand that it is an absolute privilege. It's not a right. And there are certain things that are elementary in life. And one of those things is what was here. You know what I mean? Really. There are places that you do, there are places that you don't. In a car, you know, all I want you to understand is that it's just a privilege. It's not a right. You know, and then it's a right that can be easily taken away under serious circumstances. You know, when you make a decision, hopefully never that you dig yourself so deep of a hole that you'll never get out of. That's what we're trying to prevent. Do you understand?
Yes, I realize I have a lot to lose. I have a family to support. I haven't been able to do that in the last 3 weeks. I've had a lot of time to think and dwell, and it's been rough.
That's all we're asking. You know, in life, make the right decisions so that we don't have to make a decision for you that'll cost you very, very dearly, you know?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, we're good. We'll let you drive. Just be safe. Make the right decisions. That's all we're asking.
Thank you, sir.
Okay? All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Joseph. For sure. Just, hey, just let police know. What? Okay. All right. You ready?
Yes, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Martinez. Oh, we need plus. Good morning, Mr. Martinez. How's jail?
¿Cómo caí en la cárcel?
¿Cómo te gusta la cárcel? ¿Cómo te gusta? ¿Te gusta la cárcel?
No, no me gusta.
No, I don't like it.
Good.
Muy
You're
bien.
not supposed to.
Dale.
No.
The idea is that we want our community safe. And when you endanger our community, there are places that we have for you. I will tell you now that it appears your lawyer is telling me that you've made an immigration bond. And let me tell you that you are extremely lucky that that has happened. If you become a danger, I'm going to revoke this bond. I'm going to put you back into jail. And I'm going to tell you that if you get your immigration bond revoked, that's a lot of money that you're going to lose. So when you get out there in the free world, make the right decisions. Do not pick up any new cases. And I now am going to put bond conditions on you. If you violate these conditions, then I'm going to revoke your bond and put you back in custody.
¿Piensa?
Do you understand?
En custodia. ¿Usted lo entiende?
Sí.
Yes.
You are not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case.
That's right.
You're not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will also not be in possession of weapons as well. You understand these conditions.
¿Usted entiende estas condiciones? Yes.
You must also remain in constant contact with your lawyer, and your lawyer will tell you when you have to come back to court. If he tells me that he's unable to get a hold of you because you're playing games or you take off going somewhere, I'm going to revoke the bond and issue a warrant for your arrest. You're going to be called upon to do random drug and alcohol testing. If you fail to show up for the testing, then a warrant for your arrest will be issued. Okay? We will have you sign conditions indicating that you understand and that you're going to comply with these conditions.
Estas condiciones.
And after that, you'll be free to go.
Awesome. Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Okay.
Esta señorita.
Yes, Martin.
On the jail docket. All right.
Judge,
hold on.
I'm pushing on Anisha White,
Okay.
the DWR, Ms. Beth.
Ms. White, come up.
Yes.
If you miss a test again, I'm going to revoke your bond. Do you understand? We have bond conditions in place. You're supposed to follow these conditions. I'm giving you notice now. Your excuses mean nothing. I'm giving you a pass now, but it's not going to happen again. I'm sending you for a test now. If this happens again, I'm going to end up probably revoking your bond. Do you understand? Okay?
Is there a way I can get a test closer to where I am? Because I don't.
I'm sending you for a test now.
Okay.
That's what's going to happen now. If you fail to go test, if you fail to show up, I'm going to revoke your bond. Do you understand? Okay. Good luck. Thanks, Connor.
And Judge, I have one more case. Miss Tanika Burton.
Okay.
Judge, this is an older case, but the state is asking for a quick eval setting. If not, I'm fine sending it for trial today.
She's supposed to have the class done.
She doesn't want to take PTI. She thinks it's an admission of guilt and doesn't want to.
Okay. That's okay. So you want a week to eval?
Yes, a week, yes. And can we wait for appearance then, Judge? We're fine setting it for trial on that day.
Yep.
If we do that. Wait, thank you.
Sure.
How you doing, Your Honor?
Hey, what's up, man?
All right, I filed a motion to withdraw with the clerk on Bustamante Reyes. Just.
Is it on docket today?
Yeah, I've notified him.
Oh, is he not here?
No, he's not here. Your Honor.
Got it. Okay. We'll revoke it. I'll grant your motion.
Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you.
5001. And remind me to do a PVR, please. Okay. Thanks, bud. Okay. Eric,
Morning, Judge.
Hey.
I have a plea on Gracia.
you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Gracia?
You need a translator?
Yeah. We are pleading on the violation of a bond condition, and they're dismissing the assault family.
Got it. Good morning, Mr. Gracia.
Morning, Your Honor.
Gracia, you're charged with violation of a protective order. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You worked out an agreement where they're offering you 9 days in jail with credit for the 3 days that you've done. You give up a lot of rights by entering this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, it will go on your record. You can never take it off. Is this what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or
Guilty.
not guilty?
Guilty, yes.
I'm going to find you guilty. I will follow the agreement. Is there an affirmative finding in this case?
No, since it's a VPO, there's no, permanent finding.
All right. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Trying to hurry. I don't want to lose you.
And then if people come and get in line in court 6, it's like, yes, so no worries.
All right.
So,
Can you bring her up?
yes, Ms. Ramirez, come on up, yes.
You're good.
Hi, Jerry.
So she is enrolled in going to the IOP, but the provider told me she was supposed to finish on February 18th, but she advised him that she's struggling financially. He said he would talk to her and see what they could do to work on these, but they won't release the certificate until everything is.
But she is attending, because whenever we had the issues back when you stressed on her that she needs to go, and I wanted to make sure that everybody's aware that she's doing that. She's attending every session. She's on track with that. She just needs, how much time do you need to? Can she focus on paying the IOP SOP so we can get those certificates and then we'll figure out the devices? But would you be willing to get rid of her income monitor? That's like $350 a month. So maybe she can take that money and put it towards the IOP SOP classes. We haven't had.
You have now.
You have the in-car as well, right?
Mhm.
She has the in-car and the income monitor.
And the problem is I'm never going to know whether she's using, and the only time is whether she's in a car, and
But
we
she's,
can't trust her though,
Well-
because we've tried this.
maybe you couldn't trust her a few months ago, but she's been good. She's been really, really good. She's been coming to court. Remember, she was coming to court every week and then every couple of weeks, and now she's coming once a month.
Yeah.
So
Oh.
she's been doing great. So I'm just trying to figure out a way to,
How do you earn money now?
Well, I'm a full-time student, so I don't
Where do you go
have
to
a
school?
job. I go to both UH and Lone Star. I take two, like, dual classes.
So how do you survive now? Because you still need money.
She's with
For
her
my
parents,
classes?
Judge.
Sorry?
Oh, for my classes or?
No, Judge is asking you, what do you do for money? Who gives you money to
Still need to
drive?
eat. You need
Oh,
to,
my parents.
do you live with your parents now?
Yes, my mom.
I mean, the problem is that we've tried this before and every time we like let her, we give a little bit of leeway. She just
We've had
picks a
issues
yard every single time. And we've been dealing with now.
No, Judge, you say every single time, but we've had one time, this has happened one time in the past. So this is when we had the issue.
Ramirez.
Ramirez.
I mean,
It hasn't been multiple times,
you've been
Judge.
dealing with this for 825 days.
Yes, because the case was older. I don't know if you remember, she was ready to be done, close to being done, and then she tested positive that time. That one time, she tested positive. It was just a high positive, but it was a one time. And that,
It was like multiple skip stuff, wasn't it?
She was admitted to using alcohol. I think she went out for her sister's birthday.
right, and that's the one time when she tested positive. And then we came before you and then,
Ones that we know of, right?
what, Judge? No, that doesn't mean that she did it multiple times. There is a one violation.
But I don't know. And I can't,
But then we can't make the assumption that she did.
so if we were to take it off, is she reporting, where does she report to?
She's reporting to probation office.
So could we do, if we were to take it off, we do enhanced, like a lot more.
Or Judge, another option, if you're open to it, put her on a blow schedule for her in-car. And then you have her monitored if she's on a blow.
It's a great idea. Can we
And
do
that
that?
way we can get rid of
It's a
the.
great idea.
So she doesn't have to come
No, no,
for
that's a
our
great
meetings
idea.
and all
I'm
that.
happy to do that. I don't know why it didn't occur to me about that, but yeah. That's a good idea. But I want, I don't care if we're telling you to blow at midnight, you have to blow at midnight. If you come up with an excuse, well, I can't do this. I don't, you know what excuses mean? They go in one ear, they go out the, I don't care for excuses. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So, I mean, this is absolutely no tolerance. Okay, so let's do that. We'll do,
Remove the ankle monitor. But if she doesn't come up with the money by the 18th, she said she'll do everything that she
then, I
can.
mean, we'll just keep going. I mean, I guess, so to speak, right? Until she gets the money that she's, the incentive there is to get the money as quick as possible because you want to be done with this, don't you? So, right. All right, so we need to craft a blow schedule because I also want her blowing not only at midnight, but, Okay. All
Thank you,
right.
Judge. Okay, have a seat. I'll come talk to you.
Gentlemen,
Judge.
happy Monday.
Happy Monday.
Ms. Ianski, how long do you want to reset this for?
Can we bring
2.5
her back?
weeks?
What, if we bring her back on the 18th or a couple days after the
Yeah.
18th?
I'm down,
Okay.
for sure. Okay, where to go? There you go.
Fugitive case charge, Mr. Alejandro Cortez.
You want something?
Yes, here's the issue, Judge. He has not turned himself in. Let me tell you why. So there's two dates that are important. January 17th, you said, he's here. So we could at least talk about it. January 17th, his bond was set. Okay, 14 days from there is today. He didn't bond out till the 23rd. I'm like,
Hang on a second. We set the bond on the 7th of January. So he didn't bond out for about a week, less than a week, right? So about one day, less than a week.
so I'm like, hey, today's our court date. Have you turned yourself in? Have you posted the bond up there? Hey, I got a lawyer. He's making it happen out there, but today's his court date.
Here, whether you get a lawyer and you're trying to make stuff happen out there.
Here's the thing. He says, hey, today's not my 14 days. My 14 days are from when I got out. That's what he's telling me.
He's
like,
right, though, because I always say 14 days from the day that you're released. I always say that day. He's right. I always say that from the day that you're released. So it's fair.
Okay.
It's really, every single time I say it.
So that'd be granted until Friday, Judge?
Until the extra, yeah.
7th?
I mean, I don't, now, I'm not verifying, I've not verified what Ricardo's saying.
No, I have. It's accurate.
So
I was going to
I'm
make
okay with
the,
Ricardo.
I was like, we've come full circle because he always argues the 14 days from when the waiver is signed, and now I'm arguing for the
But-
recent.
At that point, if he's not turned himself in,
Yeah.
if he's not, I don't care.
He's here. He's here. He understands that.
You let him know, you know, and then
So can we reset it by Friday, for Friday?
Well, no, if he's by Friday, then
you gotta do the Monday.
Monday, but I will obviously be checking on Friday.
All right.
Thank you.
Well, he has until the Thursday to turn himself in.
It's Friday, Judge. So from the, hold on, I don't want to
Is
miss.
the 23rd is a Thursday.
It is, so 2 weeks, 6 plus 1 is 7, which is a Friday.
So then he's gonna have to turn himself in. He's got Friday at the latest to turn himself in. Is that what we're saying? And then we check on him on Monday.
Please admonish him not to wait until the last day.
So Monday's a reset. Okay, got it. We're on board, Judge.
Please tell him not to
He's
wait.
here. I'm gonna get on him right now. I'm gonna
No,
talk to him.
he's old enough to understand. Please.
He's hearing everything we're
Hey,
talking
Pete.
about. Thank you, Judge.
Thanks.
And that wraps up this hearing. If you're into real courtroom moments, smart legal breakdowns, and raw reactions, make sure you tap like and subscribe. I've got plenty more coming. Stay sharp, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.